Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Goal Study Abroad. Today I'm going to discuss the big news, the big announcement made by the UK government about PSW, Post Study Work Visa, also known as Graduate Route Visa. From here on in this video, I will use the short form PSW. Note that it means Post Study Work Visa or Graduate Route Visa. I have broken down this video in three parts. First, explaining what exactly is PSW. Second part, covering what was the announcement and the details of the announcement. In the third section, I'm going to answer all the questions that you might have about PSW. So let's get started. What exactly is PSW? PSW is a route for Indian students to work in UK after completing their bachelor's degree or any degree which is above bachelor's degree. When you apply for PSW and you get your PSW visa, you can stay back in UK for 2 years after completing your course. Moving on to the big announcement. On 4th March 2021, the UK government announced the update on PSW visas. The big news was the applications for PSW visas will start on July 1st, 2021. Please note this date, July 1st, 2021. Who exactly is eligible for this visa? If you're someone who started your program back in 2020 during autumn 2020, that is September 2020, you have to be in UK before June 1st, 2021 to be eligible for this visa. If you're someone who started your program recently, that is Jan or February 2021, and you're taking classes online, you have to be in UK before 27th September 2021 to be eligible for this visa. I'm sure you have a lot of questions, so I'm going to try and answer as many questions as possible I think you might have. Do I need a job or a sponsor for my PSW visa? No, you do not need any sponsor for your visa. An employer does not come in the picture. Whether you have a job or not does not matter. You can go ahead and apply for your PSW visa. There is no minimum salary requirement for this visa. Also, there is no limit on how many people can apply for this visa. PSW visa holders will have the flexibility to work anywhere they want and take their career in any direction they are interested in. Does this PSW visa apply to all the regions in UK? Yes, this PSW visa is applicable to all the regions in UK. It does not matter if you are in England, Wales, Scotland or Northern Ireland. This is going to benefit all the international students who go to UK and want to stay back after their studies to work. Can I still start taking classes online for the course I enrolled in? Yes, you can. Due to the corona pandemic situation in UK, the government is allowing students to take classes online. So you can start classes online. You just have to be in UK before 27th September 2021 to be eligible for this visa. You don't have to travel before that if you don't want to. What is the exact duration of PSW visa? Students on PSW visa will be able to work or look for work for a maximum duration of 2 years after they complete their studies. Please note, it is 3 years for the doctoral program. You can find all this information on the website www.gov.uk. I have given the link in my description of this video, and you have to go on this site and search for graduate route and you'll get all this information. If this video provided any value to you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.